Welcome to Orgnyz. In this short video, we'll walk you through the quick setup process to get your restaurant ready to take orders in just a few minutes. Let's start by filling in your restaurant details. First, enter your restaurant name and selecting the type, like fine dining or cafe. Add your full address in address line 1 and use address line 2 if needed for extra details. Choose your country, state, and city from the drop-down menus. Next, fill in your postal code and phone number so customers can reach you. Select your preferred currency for most Indian restaurants. This will be INR, and set the start of your financial year. Scroll down to tax information and enter the tax name, like GST, and its percentage. Add more taxes by clicking Add Tax or remove one using the trash icon. In registration information, enter the license name, like FSSAI, and its number. If you have multiple registrations, click Add More to add them. When everything is filled, click Save and Next. You can always come back later to update these details from your settings. Now choose your opening hours. Select which days your restaurant is open and set the opening and closing time for each day. If your restaurant is closed on some days, simply uncheck them. When everything is filled, click Save and Next. You can always come back later to update these details from your settings. Now let's configure your table layout. You'll see that one zone is already added by default. If you want to rename it or add more zones, click Add Edit Zone. In the Zone window, change the name of the default zone if needed, or click Add More to create additional zones like first floor or outdoor. To remove any zone, click the trash icon. When you are done, click Submit to save your changes. Next, open a zone and click Add Table. Enter a table name or number and set the seating capacity. Add all tables for all zones. At least one is required to continue. If you are not ready to add tables now, click Set up tables later. You can return to this section anytime from Settings to add zones and tables. When your layout is ready, click Save and Next to move to the next step. Now let's set up your restaurant menu. You can add your menu manually or by uploading a menu image. Let's first look at how to add it manually. A default category is already added on the left panel. Click Add Edit Category to rename or add new categories. Click Add More to create categories like starters or beverages. Use the trash icon to remove categories you don't need. Click Submit to save and see all categories on the left. Next, click Add Item under any category. Enter the item name, choose veg or non-veg, and set its price. If the item has multiple sizes, select Yes for multiple sizes. Click Add Edit Sizes and Prices to open the size modal. Add sizes like regular, medium, large, and enter prices. Click Add More to add sizes or trash icon to delete. Click Submit to save sizes and return to the item. Enable add-ons if you offer any. Click Add Edit Add-ons. Enter add-on names, prices, and click Submit to save. Repeat this process until all your menu items are added. You can also add your menu by uploading an image. Click Autofill Menu from Image at the top right. Choose a clear image of your menu and upload it. Orgnyz will scan and auto-create categories and items. Review the items carefully and make any corrections. Edit names, adjust prices, or delete wrong entries. You can also add more categories or items manually. When satisfied, click Save to confirm your menu. If you are not ready, click Setup Menu later and return anytime. Once your menu is ready, click Finish Setup to complete onboarding. Congratulations! Your restaurant is now set up on Orgnyz. You are ready to take your first orders and start serving guests.